Well, here I am. I wanted to get some planting done today. Get the rest of these plants out of the greenhouse, but I don't think it's gonna happen. We got over 2 inches of rain yesterday. Don't need any more. Looks like we're not supposed to be getting any today, but I guess we're getting a little bit. Anyway, so it gives me a chance to come in the greenhouse, do some watering, hang out with my grandboys. And today we're just gonna load up for the market for tomorrow morning. We got a lot of flowers. We're gonna go pick some carrots in a bit. We're gonna go pick some potatoes. It's gonna have a good time anyway.
Hey everybody, Steve Bouchard here. Once again, let's get into one of our vlogs.
TY, let's go. I'm gonna film you guys picking carrots. I'm gonna explain everything. Anyway, we plant a lot of vegetables in the greenhouse because the days like today, we can't get in the field anyway, and it's still a little early. It's early June. So our vegetables are not ready to pick yet. So anyway, we got some carrots here. We're gonna bring them over to wheelbarrow and let's see if we got any carrots in them, boys. I'll carry it over. All right, here's how we do the carrots. Ty, you coming to help?
That's a no.
All right, let's see what we got here. Boston, let's see if I can tip that out.
Wow.
All right.
Some roots.
Looks like we got ourselves some nice baby carrots in here.
What's you going to
What
do
are they?
after?
Nothing nice like nice baby carrots. We're gonna pull them out like this. Look at that. Let's go get a tray. And we'll put them in a nice tray. I think these will be quite nice to eat.
Biggest one yet.
Look at that. Huh? Bring these over here.
Everything's like carrots.
Oh, look at the roots on that baby. That's a good sign. So grab a handful and shake them. See what you can get out of them. We'll just grab a little handful like that. Here. What do you think?
I think these look like
Baby Carrot City. Oh, see, they're nice. Look at that. Hey. Ty, we're almost done our work. We're gonna put 2 per pot. Make sure you put a drip in the middle, Boston. Perfect. All right. I would say 2 of these. 1. Find the same one, Boston. Somewhere. A real nice one. Boston, grab that pink one for me, please. We're gonna load it up in the van for the market.
Watermelon.
Ty, you just relax and work on your dill. All right? Okay. Here we go. It's pretty full. Only have one more van to do. There you go. Looking good. Okay, camera, would you rather buy this for 20 bucks or this for 80 bucks?
Oh, this for 80 bucks. Oh, this for 20 bucks.
Oh, that's a good deal. Okay, once again, everybody, come and join us at the Windsor Downtown Market on Saturdays from 9 to 2. Tecumseh Markets is brand new. We'll be starting at every third Sunday of the month, and it's going to be from 9 a.m. to 12. And our LaSalle Market, which is at the Civic Center, it's the last Sunday of every month, and it is from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. And also come and visit us right here at the farm. We'll be opening up the farm next week for a real good, there we go, for real good vegetables right out of the field. Thank you, everybody. Say bye, guys.
Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.